Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Myfirstwig once again. So once again we have the new packaging because they revamped it recently. I got the wig, got information card. I also got a pair of wig caps, tail comb, and also a bag for storage. This is today's wig. It's a gorgeous curly glueless lace front wig. It is actually 13x6 and it's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It has a comb on the inside. It has a drawstring in the back, and the ear portion is somewhat not all the way curved, but it's more accommodating of the ears. And I love that it has a drawstring. This always makes it really easy and very secure, especially if you're a beginner and you want to get into wigs, something that looks realistic at that. Drawstrings make the wig stay on really good on your head. So I went ahead and slipped the wig on. As you can see, it is, look at that, you can barely see the lace. Okay, it gives a very realistic natural look, and they did a really good job doing the hairline with how they pre-plucked it. So that's beautiful. The hair itself is a 1B color, so everything looks really natural. It came with that center part there, and this is how it looks. Okay, so for the ear portion, I went ahead and I got some of my melting spray to lay it all the way down, because if I didn't do that, being that it's a lace front, it would flab at the ear portion, and I didn't want that. So I just took a little bit of my PS Luxe melting spray, which is amazing. Okay, and that's all I used just for the ear portion, to let the side portion stay all the way down. And it was really straightforward. If you're a beginner, this is all you need to do, and no worries.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out.
Once I was done with that, I went ahead and adjusted the drawstring in the back of the cap. All you want to do is pull it to how tight you want it to be, adjust the knob to lock it in place, and I tug away the extra string beneath the cap. That's all it is to it. Was done with securing the wig on my head. Look at that, super cute. That's literally what I was saying. It's super cute. I did like a flip over vibe, and it's so pretty. The hair is really nice and full, by the way. I'll be sure to put all the specifications down in the description box, so check down below to see the length, the density, and all that good stuff about the wig. Please check it out. And I'm wearing a medium cap size, by the way. I always wear a medium cap size. I went into look number 2. I did a half up, half down, and a bun at the top. Again, very straightforward. I always love doing a half up, half down.
Fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do.
For the third look, you could just go ahead and rock it as is with its center part, and I just decided that okay, I'm gonna rock it in its dry state. Look at that volume. So gorgeous. You're not seeing through the wig. It is stunning. Lovely. I love that. Look at that. Yeah. They did their big one on the construction on this wig. And overall, Myfirstwig is always a good choice when you're looking for quality glueless wigs.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
So lastly, I decided to go ahead and wet the hair, but not necessarily do like a drenched wet look. I just wanted to redefine the curls within the wig. So that's all I got. Just my spray bottle with water to do that. And then I brush it right through just so that I could define the curls. And that's all it was to it.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher.
So that's it. That's pretty much it. I was just finishing up with spraying down the hair with water, but that's pretty much it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this wig look, go ahead and give this video a like. If you're interested in getting this wig for yourself, the link to it will be in my description box. All the information and specifications that are necessary will be listed down below, so check the description box for that as well. Shout out to Myfirstwig once more for today's wig look. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.